we go.
Hey you guys, Eric here for Carolina Autos again, bringing you a new video from my new apartment. Get you guys a look around here. It's a little bit messy right now, but I just kind of really got through moving in and getting everything set up, so just want to show you guys around. I've got another video coming up on the Camaro. Unfortunately, it was in an accident. I got rear-ended about 2 months ago. Been pretty quiet on the content lately. I had some stuff saved up that I put together and threw together a couple videos in the last couple months, but just got the car back. We'll go do just a quick walk around of it. I'll do a full video on kind of what happened and how much it cost and all that good stuff later, once I have all the details on it. But I do have the car back already, so we can start making more videos. But I also wanted to bring you guys just a tour of my new spot. Take a look out the window here. See if we can get it to focus. Got a pool area. I'm sorry if I sound a little funny. I have been battling a cold. Last couple days, been almost a week. Pretty rough cold. I think there's some allergies going on and stuff like that. So. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys around. I'll take some video around the building and just kind of show you guys what the place is all about. And also the Camaro's in a garage now, which is awesome. A lot less dirt to deal with. So yeah, so now that I got it back, we'll get back to regularly scheduled content. So here you can see all the long hallways. It's a real pretty building though. Hardwood floors, just nice white hallways. I'm trying to talk quietly because it echoes a lot in here though. And I am up on the 3rd floor. Got a parking deck, which is nice. It's actually a pretty big parking deck. It's like 6 floors. There's the Camaro. She's all fixed up. So like I said, it got rear-ended. You guys can tell it's she's in much better shape now. Not perfect, but I don't think it will ever be perfect again. I'm gonna work that out with the insurance company. And they put on a new exhaust because the old one got broken. You can see I just need to do some adjusting on that. But we'll get it fixed up to the best of our ability, and then maybe with some of this insurance money, I'll supercharge it or something. We'll see. But let's go do a tour of the rest of the building. So bottom floor of the parking deck. Just wanted to show you guys some of the outside of the building. It's real pretty out here. It's down right behind Old Mecklenburg Brewery in Charlotte. Obviously. You guys know I'm not going to leave Charlotte. So, it's a big building though. That's the parking deck in the middle, a few apartments in the lobby. We'll go walk through the lobby and the pool and all. You can see nice big lobby area. I'm trying to talk quietly. There's people doing their morning stuff. The gym. Nice big pool area. My apartment is right up there, overlooking the pool. So, pretty big upgrade. The mail room. Just wanted to show you guys another perk of the apartment building. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath. We're going up 7 flights of stairs here. But it's worth it because look at the view from the parking deck. You can see uptown, the light rail and all right over my shoulder. It's bright out here. I don't know if you guys can see in the background, you can kind of see the mountains. I'll flip the camera around and kind of give a tour, but yeah, it's really nice to just come up here and hang out, especially at night, all the city lights and whatnot. So let me flip this around and show you guys that too. Such a nice view. All of Charlotte. And if you look closely, you can see the mountains off in the distance. So, not a bad little spot. The light rail and all is right over here. Quite the upgrade. And there's Charlotte. Downtown. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys some updates real quick. Got the car back, got into my new spot. Wanted to give you guys just a quick tour. Like I said, big upgrade from where I was. So much nicer. So as soon as we get some good weather, it's warming up here in Charlotte, but raining today, so probably not going to be driving the car anywhere too far. It's going to rain here in about an hour. But as soon as we can, we'll get more content going. So if there's any kind of videos you guys want me to focus on, just let me know. And we will catch you in the next video. I'll do a full breakdown on the wreck and what happened and go through like the police report and stuff like that with you guys. So thanks for watching. More to come soon.